Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. You see this video. I've been waiting for this video for a very long time. I've been waiting for uJacinta to respond to kulabantu abathanda ukuthi bezokhomenta behleli emakhoneni. Bezokhomenta ngezinto ezenzakalayo or ezenziwayo in hiding behleli emakhoneni, especially men, because it's a shame, especially if it's a man, ukuzwa umuntu as a South African pretender as if yena comfortable with everything that is happening in this country, pretender as if happy with what the government is doing in this country, and ebe more shameless uma eseza criticize izinto ezenziwa abanye abantu, especially eyindoda criticize izinto ezenziwa umuntu wesifazane. Let's listen to Jacinta first, then we'll react on it after.
So today I just want to respond to a couple of people that have been asking, when am I going to Orania? Because you see, the funny thing about social media people is they've got this conviction that somehow some of them banama thoughts or questions that I will fail to answer when it comes to this immigration issue. And I can confidently tell you that for you to trick me when it comes to this immigration thing, or for you to make me change my mind, you would actually have to be Jesus Christ. Nah, it'll take a while for him to convince me that I'm wrong in the things that I've taken years and years to evaluate, even read about, do international studies about, etc. So these little TikTok people that come with their little TikTok videos and think that somehow they're challenging me, I find so many of them so funny, because the one guy went on about me, and then he's trying to prove a point about South Africa's immigration crisis by going to Zimbabwe. That's a very smart thing to do, don't you think? The immigration crisis is in South Africa, but to prove your point, you go to Zimbabwe. If you want to prove an immigration crisis problem that is happening in South Africa, shouldn't you be in South Africa? And for those who think they can do better, think peace and mad and you want to claim that what we're doing is not the right way or the right approach, we're fighting the wrong people, then what's stopping you from you know who the right people are to fight? So what is stopping you from fighting them? Like, guys, who is stopped from doing the right thing in this country? Because if wrong, you've got the liberty, you've got the free will to go out there and do the right thing the right way. But we're not going to sit here and wait for you to decide what you're going to do the right thing, or you don't see. You just want to sit and record videos and write think pieces all day. Yo, guys, we've got a country to fix. And
guys, you will remember I made a video about the same guy, owahamba wasuka la South Africa, went to Zimbabwe to show us some clinics in Zimbabwe, to show us ukuthi in Zimbabwe they don't chase you away, there is no dudula in Zimbabwe, was kombisa imigwaqo, streets of Harare ukuthi look at everywhere is clean, there's no littering everywhere. You know, I was like asking myself, is he okay? Because how can you leave the country, your own country? Because this guy, according to my knowledge, he is a South African. But because he is one of those people who are pretending as if everything is okay in South Africa, this illegal immigration crisis is not affecting them, the government of South Africa is doing everything okay for the citizens, he decided to show Jacinta, to show us, ama-patriots, ukuthi Zimbabweans are not xenophobic like us South Africans. They are not blocking people from clinics in Zimbabwe. Their cities are clean, their towns are clean. When he arrived there, he was showing us, taking videos there, showing us, you see, I did not pay. I told them I don't have money. And ecabanga ukuthi because I don't even understand ukuthi abanye abantu bacabanga kanjani njengoba uJacinta esho, akaboni ukuthi thina siya-understand ukuthi njengoba ithatha ama-videos ama-nurse from a receptionist lo omkhiphela ifayili, lo amtshela ukuthi akanamali. Yena ngokwakhe ubona ukuthi we don't understand ukuthi he discussed with these people first and asked for the permission ukuthi enze this video inside the clinic, taking videos, even pictures of these people. Manje ufuna ukuthi thina sibone ukuthi he is entering there for the first time njengoba enza le video, knowing very well ukuthi ukhulumile nabo, wacela ipermission yokwenza ama-videos and everything at the clinic, nokuveza ubuso babo, ekhuluma nabo, all those things. Uma esethi yena ucela ukungena ngepassport kuphela akanayo imali yokukhokha, abambuzi questions, abamniki mbandela, maybe their own whatever regulations ukuthi okay, because you are a foreigner you have to pay this amount, or maybe you must know what you are owing us, you know. No, they just collected the passports, bambala, they wrote on their register, then go inside. And it was like he was the only one with his cameraman inside the clinic. The clinic was empty. I'm sure you've watched that video because I posted the clip of that video commenting on what he was doing. So this other group, abathanda ukuthi bethi nesaba abelungu, what did they do? What did abelungu do to us? Are they trafficking our children, giving our children powder? No, we want to know, what did they do? Because we are not interested in whatever Malema is fighting with them. So we want to know ukuthi benzeni. Because what we need from them is just for ukuthi sibe equal. What we need from them is kusherwe kahle iland. There's nothing else that we want from these people. We don't want them to go, and no one will force us to fight with them. So why must we go and fight with them? What did they do to us? Did they sell counterfeit to our children? Did they hijack buildings in this country? Are they giving our children powder? So why must we go and fight in Orania? Because instead of these people to destroy this country, they are trying their best to fix it. And the country is like this today because they are here. If they were not here, this country was going to be worse than Nigeria or Malawi. And then bese kuzoba nalaba ke aba even worse labo abazothi you are fighting the wrong people. Who are the right people? Why do they want us to go to the right people? Why are they not going to the right people as the citizens of this country? Because we are complaining the same complaint, we are crying the same cry with them. Let them lead the way to right people so that we will all follow, because what we want is to fix our country. We don't care who we are fighting with. We don't care who we are complaining to. All we want is for South Africa to be fixed. So if you know the right people to confront, to go, lead the way, we will be there behind you, and we will make sure that we confront that person or those people with you for them to fix the country. Don't tell a lady you are a man, and it's even worse. It's so sad. It's very embarrassing. It's so sad and embarrassing if you hear them as men, because most of these people who are making these videos are men. I even know their names. I know their channels because I used to watch them, like the one that went to Zimbabwe and many others on TikTok. They are telling a lady, oh, you are confronting the wrong people. Men are telling a lady to go and confront Oranio. She is waiting for men to lead the way to those people she is scared to confront, because they are busy telling Jacinta or Zandile, you are scared of this, you are scared of this. If as a man you see that Jacinta or Zandile is afraid to face some people, why can't you just stand up as a big brother? Why can't you just stand up as a man to help them to confront those people they are afraid to confront, instead of complaining, blaming, criticizing behind your phone? We don't see these people on the streets, but we are facing the same crisis with them. But they talk too much behind their phones, blaming ladies, criticizing ladies, telling ladies that they are afraid of going there, they are afraid of confronting these people. Why are these people so shameless? It's embarrassing. It's very embarrassing. I hope they will change. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.